When you're learning a new skill or trying to form a new habit, it can be helpful to immerse yourself in a supportive community. Reddit is a treasure trove of communities like that, and it can be a great resource for information and tips on a wide variety of self-improvement topics. To save you some time and effort, we've put together a list of the best self-improvement subreddits organized by what it is you're trying to accomplish. If you're making an effort to work on yourself, these 4 subreddits can help you quickly form new habits. R. Self-improvement. This subreddit is packed with strategies you can immediately put into practice. R. Productivity. It only takes a few new habits to consistently get more accomplished at work and in your personal life. Then there's R. Get motivated. Even just scrolling through the subreddit can put you in a better frame of mind and get you pumped up for the day. Finally, we have R. Get disciplined. Are you a procrastinator? This is a great place to ask for advice, share ideas, and discuss practices for improving your self-discipline. Just don't put it off for too long. You can also train your mind to slow down, and virtually everyone can benefit from learning this skill. Visit these subreddits to learn how to be more present in the moment. R. Meditation. Learn to quiet your mind and become more mentally and emotionally stable. This subreddit has guides on how to begin meditating, descriptions of different types of meditation, and a recommended reading list whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner. Then there's R. Mindfulness. Learn how to pay attention on purpose and live in the moment. You'll find memes, quotes, tips, and personal posts about the quest to stay positive and focus on what's happening around you. Then we have R. Zen Habits. This subreddit requires that you practice what it preaches. You can think a negative thought without sharing it. Keep your negative thoughts to yourself while you browse images, videos, and discussions about personal growth. We've all heard that comparison is the thief of joy. When you learn to want less, it's much easier to be satisfied. So head out to R. Minimalism. In short, less is more. Then there's R. Simple Living. The motto of this subreddit is live better with less. It stresses sustainability and cooperation. Then there's R. Zero Waste. Decrease your environmental impact by following the suggestions posted in Zero Waste. Then there's R. Stoicism. You don't have to completely immerse yourself in the tough philosophy of Stoicism to benefit from the recommendations in this subreddit, but it helps. These are some great subreddits to help you improve a little every day, and if you want even more great self-improvement subreddit suggestions, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.